quickly called an ambulance.
God bless the kitten to get well.
Wow! The kind doctors tried their best to treat the poor kitten. It's wonderful that the kitten is healthy again, and the two little kitten friends can happily be together.
Hello, white cat.
Wow! The mother cat was away, so the white cat and black cat at home started making their own food. The two kittens had just finished eating sausages and immediately prepared potatoes and cooking oil to make French fries. Wow! The two kittens ate a delicious plate of French fries, but now the floor is covered in soy sauce and slippery